Sup guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you how I take my baby girl's hair from this to this. So if you're interested in how I achieve this style, keep watching. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and of course hit that notification bell. Let's get it. So this is her hair in some twists after I freshly washed and moisturized it. So first of all, we're going to start off with two braids that start from the center in the back and come all the way around to the top of her ear. Now as you can see, these are feed-in cornrows. I'm adding a small bit of Marley hair to her hair in this particular section because her hair is very fine and tends to get fuzzy very fast. So just to ensure a little bit more strength in that cornrow, I add some Marley hair, and also to help it hang better for this particular style. So after you're done with the first braid, you're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Just part it off and commence with your feed-in braid. If you guys aren't aware of how to do feed-in braids, you can leave me a comment and I'll make a video on that and put it up for you guys as soon as possible. So now we're going to go to the center of her head and part out a triangle shape with the point going towards the back of her head. Just like this, and we clip the two sides out of the way. Just like this. So now I'll apply some edge control just to keep everything smooth and tamed, and for this you can use any edge control that you like, but for her hair I prefer to use something gentle like Boar's edge control. So after you did that triangle, you're going to go ahead and split that triangle in half and separate one section. Now we're going to go ahead and part out little triangles from that section. I place some edge control around the entire little triangular section that I parted out, and I seal it off with a rubber band. Now we'll go in and make another triangular shaped part and repeat the same process of adding edge control to ensure it's smooth and flat, and then secure it with a rubber band. You can go ahead and do the same exact thing on the other half of the larger triangle. Now with the remaining 2 small pieces from both of those sections, we're basically just going to join them together, add edge control, and then tie them off with a rubber band into one larger, not triangle, but kind of like arrowhead shaped section. Next, we're going to go in on each one of those individual triangles, add some moisturizer, detangle, and twist it up into a simple 2-strand twist. As you can see, baby girl's trying to help me. So now that we're finished twisting up all those little sections, we're basically going to crisscross them, connecting the 2 front pieces to the 2 middle pieces in a X shape. So all in all, you should have 3 sections. Next, we're going to go ahead and part her head straight down the middle to create 2 large sections for 2 big ponytails. Go ahead and tie one section off. So what I like to do is just go ahead and add some moisturizer and a bit of leave-in. You can use whichever leave-in you like. Then I detangle with my Tangle teezer. Then I go ahead and smooth the section out with a regular Boar bristle brush. After that, I go ahead and add edge control around the entire perimeter of that one large ponytail section that I'm about to work with. Then brush everything in nice and smooth with a Boar bristle brush. I then secure that ponytail Then I'll proceed to moisturize, detangle, and twist the hair in that section just like I did the section in the front. After that, we connect one of those little sections from that triangular portion in the front to the ponytail and then wrap it up into a little bun. Now we proceed to do the same thing on the other side. Divide that ponytail into sections, twist it up, then connect the remaining twists from the front portion and create your little bun. Now for the 2 pieces on the side that hang above her ear, I just like to add a bit of accessories. In this case, I'm going to use some gold and white beads. Then you can accessorize the rest of the hair however you like, but for this video, I'm gonna add some gold links to complete the style. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can tell, she sure does. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.